I was on the river with my buddy George, and we actually developed a hole in the boat because we hit a rock too hard. So right under the rear of the stern seat, we knocked a hole and we ended up patching it. We just melted some of the plastic from the boat and put it on here. On the inside, you think you can get a view down in here? We ended up cutting this support because the support goes all the way down to the bottom, and it had cut a hole right here. So we just put some tape over the top of it to get us through. But I'm thinking, now that this canoe's it's a little bit aged, and it's probably only going to get more and more holes as I go over the rapids, I might need to retire it from the rapids and make it kind of a full-time flat water sailboat. This is just some melted plastic from the seat I had put here earlier, and actually it's staying on pretty well. I'm imagining it would maybe I shouldn't mess with it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So this thing right here is like, I don't know, an old school iron. I picked it up for maybe $2 at the thrift store. I use it to wax my skis. And so I turned it up, and I'm hoping I can use this to melt and smooth out the wax a little, or the plastic a little. I've got some wax paper to hopefully keep it from sticking. Oh yeah, that already smoothed it some. Let's see what happens. Should I just hold it there for a second, you think? I got it on the highest setting right now. Yep, it's soft right and very hot. Yeah, I think I'm burning up the wax a little bit. Yeah, it's sticking. Maybe this was a terrible idea. Okay. All right. I'm afraid to put it straight down. It's gonna be pretty messy. So this works better. Okay, yeah, definitely don't want to do that. Oh, that's where the hole is. Oh yeah, so I really melted it good. Okay. So I think, oh, I see, I actually melted it a little bit too, ouch. It's really hot there. I wonder, I just want to experiment now. I wonder if I can kind of like smooth out these scratches a little bit. I wonder if that'll work. You know, that'd be kind of cool. Oh, it looks like a lot of work, but I'm just curious if it would actually do anything. Oh yeah. Yeah, I could smooth them out if I wanted to.
Is that making it weaker though?
Maybe. Maybe, Chris, but it's okay. It's just you and me that are going to be in this. All right, man. Huh. Yeah, it seems like a lot of work though. I mean, it's just plastic, right? I'm just melting it back into place. I don't know. It's probably not totally necessary. Did it do anything? I think what it's doing is, let's see, it's kind of melting all these tiny little specks, just turn them a little darker. Not really anything structural. Oh well.
I'm not gonna deal with all that right now.